Hi everyone, I am Fawad and in this video I'm going to tell you classification of real numbers. Guys, actually in the exam sometimes uh, they give us the question, they give us some numbers and they ask us that um, what type of number it is, what class of real number it is. It is a natural number, it is a whole number, prime number, even, odd, rational, irrational, or what. So guys, in this video I'm going to tell you all these classes, all these types to recognize, so that you will be able to recognize that if they will give you any number, you can easily recognize what class it belongs to. So let's start the video. Number one, guys, always remember natural numbers. Natural numbers. Number two, guys, always remember about even numbers. After that, odd numbers. Guys, after that, whole numbers. Whole numbers. Number fifth type of number in the real numbers, you can say prime numbers. Prime numbers. Okay, guys. After that, I say integers. Integers. This one, and then I will definitely rational number. Okay, and here I will write the ninth one, irrational number. Okay, guys. So let's start understanding what numbers are natural numbers. So my dear students, actually if I write the set of natural numbers, it will start with 1 and continue with the numbers like this. So 1 2 3, I mean to say natural numbers always start with 1 and it will keep going until positive infinity. I will say positive infinity. It means all positive numbers, but not the decimal, please. Only 1 to the whole number only. Alright guys, now let's go towards the even numbers. Who are even numbers? Guys, even numbers are those which are divisible by 2. So 0, plus minus 2, plus minus 4, and so on to plus minus negative infinity. So guys, any number which is divisible by 2, we can say it's an even number. But like if I give you in the exam, they give you 2, okay, and they give you option natural, it's a natural number, it's a odd number, it's a prime number, or option A and C. So guys, you have to choose that 2 is lying, also it's a prime number, and also it's a natural number. So A and C, both A and C you will choose. If you choose it's a natural number only, A part, so it will be wrong. Let's go to the odd number. So guys, what is the odd number? What are the odd numbers? So odd numbers are those which are not divisible by 2, like I'll say 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on. So guys, I hope you understand this. Odd numbers. Guys, what are whole numbers? So whole numbers are starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Guys, the only difference between whole number and natural numbers is 0. Okay, remaining the whole set contains the same thing. So so on to positive infinity. So this 0 is there. What about the prime numbers? So guys, prime numbers are those which are only divisible by itself, like 1 divided by 1 and by itself. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 will not come, 9 will come here, guys. Okay, odd is 9 is the odd number, but 9 will not come here, 11 will come here. So this is the difference between the prime and odd. So guys, now integers. Integers are actually positive and negative. All numbers 0, plus minus to 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, and so on to positive and negative infinity. So guys, integers are these numbers. You have to keep in mind that I'm just saying all these numbers as a whole number, no decimal number is coming, all these classes. Let's go to the rational numbers. Now guys, the rational numbers are those numbers which can be written in the form of A over B, where B must not be 0. I mean to say the denominator must not be equal to 0, because if it will become 0, the fraction will go infinity. Okay, so rational numbers are those numbers which are coming A over B, and all the decimal numbers will come. But guys, what kind of decimal numbers? Please remember these words: terminating. Okay, a rational number can be terminating, can be non-terminating too. Okay, and the important thing that it will be a recurring number. Recurring, guys, recurring means that I will say there will be a pattern whenever, like 4.123 123 123 and so on. So guys, if you see this decimal number, it is coming from the fraction. So you can see here's a pattern, here's the recurringness. Okay, 1 2 3. So always remember, rational number can be a terminating number, non-terminating number, but recurring. Okay, there could be a pattern. Okay, there can be the number can be ends with the continue with the pattern. So guys, what about irrational number? Irrational number, you cannot write it in the form of A over B. It can not be written in the form of fraction. Okay, and guys, if I give you example like square root 2, it is coming 1.41. If I just use my calculator and give you the exact answer of the square root 2, is 1.414213562562 and continues. Okay, so guys, here you can see it is non-terminating and non-recurring. So please, this is the identification: non-terminating, that it will not end, and non-recurring, that there will be no pattern. Okay guys, so guys, this is all about the classes of numbers. If they give you in the exam any number and they ask you identify which class it belongs, so you must know all these classes. There are total 9 classes. I repeat: natural, even, odd, prime, whole, integers, rational, irrational. And guys, finally here I'm going to tell you that rational, which the symbol is Q. Usually in mathematics, rational numbers were represented by Q. So Q union irrational, which is Q prime or Q dash, the union gives us a set of real numbers. S is the R. Okay, R is the symbol for the set of real numbers. So guys, every number, either it's a decimal, either it's a terminating, non-terminating, recurring, non-recurring, fractional, whole, plus, minus, negative, positive, whatever, is a real number. Okay, so guys, in mathematics we have two families actually. We have a real family and we have an imaginary numbers. So real numbers and imaginary numbers. So this is the whole family of real numbers, complex numbers. So actually mathematics, in maths, we have two types of number: real and complex. So today I just told you all the classes of real numbers. I hope you understand. If you have any comment, any question, put in the comment box. I hope you like this video. Subscribe my channel. See you again with a new video. Have a good day. Bye bye.